Good day, everyone. Learn how to enable cookies in Google Chrome in PC laptop. So open your Google Chrome browser, and at the top right corner, you have this three dots, and then we need to go to the settings to enable cookies in Google Chrome. Once you click on settings, you will see a window like this. And here we need to go to the third option, which is privacy and security. Now, go to the second line. It says third-party cookies. Third-party cookies are allowed or not allowed. So we will click on that. And here you can either block third-party cookies or you can allow third-party cookies. And once you are done, let's say if I'm blocking it, then I need to restart my browser. And if I am enabling it, allowing it, then again, I need to restart my browser. Now here you can sites allowed to use third-party cookies, you can add as well. And this is how you can enable cookies in Google Chrome in PC and laptop. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.